Hi, welcome to Usborne Books with Laura. I have here Lift the Flap questions and answers about our world. This is one in our fantastic Lift the Flap questions and answers series. These books are awesome. They go through a variety of different questions. One questions what, where, why, which, yes or no questions, and how. And they are all laid out in the same way. So they have a question, and then you lift the flap to find the very concise answer. So let's see, where can I see an elephant? In Africa, in Asia, or in a zoo? There are two kinds of elephants. And then it goes through and it talks about the two different kinds of elephants. So it has good questions about different animals in the world. Where does oil come from? What makes a volcano erupt? What's this? This was super relevant when we had that eclipse a couple months ago. What's it like in a rainforest? So it's really cool because it teaches kids all about different parts of the world, and it kind of challenges them to imagine what it would be like in different parts of the world. Here it even exposes kids to different religions, different languages. Why is the earth round? Why don't people on the other side of the world fall off? So really great questions that sometimes only kids can really think about. Here, do you know where these things are in the world? Are deserts always hot? Which star is the brightest? So there's lots of questions that are answered, and what's really cool about this book is that at the end it has a fold out where it has the map of the world, and then it shows you particular things that they talked about in the book as well. So that is the Lift the Flap questions and answers about our world. Thanks for watching.